Radar really has got some pretty unique features, and we're going to look at the inbox now. We're going to be running through all of these features and explaining how they work, but the inbox is much more than just an inbox. It is the place where you can reply to everything. So yes, all of your social media messages across your channels will come in here. Also though, and this is the big bit, all of your comments on your videos will come in here. And that's not just all. So Mustafa, thanks very much, has commented on one of my Radar videos actually. Fill review software, this is the video. He said great review, so I can now reply to Mustafa. So I click reply and I put thanks Mustafa, hope you are enjoying Radar. And I can just give him a quick, oh hang on, you can't see that because let me move me. There you go. And I just post that, send it, and it has posted it on YouTube. I'm back again now. Yeah, and that's how easy it is. So you can just go through all of your messages. You can like your messages, because they always say you should like them. Comment, like, and share your messages. And you can decide which message you display here. So you can either have messages, SMS, you can have posts, comments, reviews, and mentions. And if you click on the post, it'll just show the ones related to a post, and you can have as many or as little of these options showing there. And all the way down, you've got your sources there, so it'll show your Facebook messages, your Instagram. So if you just want to have a day replying to Twitter comments, you click on Twitter. YouTube, you click on YouTube and it'll only show the YouTube comments, you see. You can show all of them in priority. You can give them labels. Well, I've not assigned any labels yet. If you had more users, and this is where Radar's really good, and some of the other things we're going to talk about, like the Passport, why it's really good. So if you are a bigger company, and if you have got a team of people who do reply to the social media, you can assign each inbox, or to each different user. And that's really the inbox. It is such a good tool because it's not just about sending and replying to actual messages. You can also use this to reply to the post. Another thing that's quite good as well. So say we look at this one. Well, we'll just look at contacts as well, but I was going to just show it you in this, but we'll go on to contacts as well. So here are all of my contacts, and here are mainly, I think these are mainly people who have, so the sources are, I think these are also just my YouTube subscribers. Yeah, there they are. And say I want to find out more about the YouTube subscribers. There's Abel Chica, and if I click on visit, that will take you to their YouTube page, and you can find out more about them, possibly subscribe to their channel and find other people who are also, maybe in your niche that you can connect with. That's Abel Chica. I actually use that software as well, VidPower. So that is the inbox. Our next video, we are going to look at the Passbook.